Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
This one must be for me.
I bet it's mine.
Rebel. Rebel.
Nerf what?
Rebel. Rebel. It's a gun.
We're gonna have
It's
a
a gun.
gun.
Pew pew.
What is that?
Mini
Show me
gun.
the picture.
Show. Show.
A gun for a girl?
Yeah.
Specifically?
Like a
That's stuff.
Weird.
Yeah.
Well, it's specifically for girls.
Oh yeah.
Rebel.
Another one?
Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have a. You're
I
gonna
have
need. You're
that
gonna need a apron that you can hold them all in front of you, so you can pick out which one you need.
10 and 9 to 10.
9 and 10.
Oh yes. Yes. Yes.
Oh, my.
Perfect.
Talking headphones, huh?
No.
No,
Nope.
look at them.
They're ears.
Ears.
Oh, ears and a fucking headset.
No,
No,
it's
no.
animatronic. It goes by your facial expressions.
No, it goes by your
what's
brainwaves.
the, what's
Oh,
the
yeah.
mic thing on?
That's on like to read.
Oh, okay.
It goes on your forehead. My
Ah.
friend has a pair.
And the ears
So if you
move.
raise your eyes and the ears go
More
"Whoop," or
boxes.
something,
They just sort of read your brainwaves.
they fold down.
They're like mad and stuff.
Are you gonna put them on?
That was great.
It's kind of like a sweater.
Panic at the Disco.
Oh, well, it's not really, but it's a.
I've never
As you can see
So
through
it's a
it.
sweater dress kind of. Oh
It's
no,
like a
it's
cardigan.
button up.
Yeah.
Cardigan.
Featuring a little boy.
Cool.